What up, you guys? RC's your price. Want to do a quick review on this custom truck that just came out. Now this the F-250, you guys. You know the last ones from Cen was the F-450. Those are the bigger ones. What? They're the same size and scale. 10 scale. She's beautiful, right? Now for those of you who don't know, the scale size really don't make the truck. It's the parts that's on the truck that make the truck. You understand what I'm saying? So we could have a big 10 scale, we could have a small 10 scale, but all the parts are 10 scale parts on the truck. That's what determines the scale, not the size of the truck. Go ahead and go around the truck for a quick second. She beautiful, right? She already come raised up, come lifted. This is new. Got lights in the back. We'll get to that in a second. I'm loving this. So I'm in love with the 250 and more, less with the 450. Different suspension, lift kit. As soon as I get mine, normally I'm raising it up. Got the extra shock oil tank, as you see. These are new. Lights are new. I have to add my lights on the last one, as you guys already know. Let's see what's under the hood. Let's see what's under the hood. Okay. Servo stock. I could tell by the way she looks, she's not that torquey. Might want to change that in the future. 2 and 3S ESC. Already programmed for a LiPo battery. Brush motor. What's that say? 550. 550 is a pretty good motor. Decent speed. Good torque. Now I sell these with a 3S battery, you guys, because a lot of y'all want to burn rubber and bust donuts and all that. You know what I'm saying? This comes with a different strap that goes here and hooks and clips on the side. But the battery is a little oversized, so I got some wire ties, as you see, and just strapped it in for right now. I'll show you guys a little of the suspension, metal frame. These are new style rims. Beautiful. We'll go over here and cut this remote on real quick. Show you guys some magic. I like these. These come with the body, you know, for the body. Go on top of your pen so you don't scratch the body when you slide your pens in and out. We be tearing our little bodies up and scratches all around, you know what I'm saying, the pinhole. I already plugged the LiPo up. On and off button right here. Gonna go ahead and cut her on. Let me grab the remote. So, as you see, the remote is the same, but what's different is channel 3 is hooked up. And let me show you what it's hooked up to. You guys see that? Got the red lights. It's beautiful, right? So if I press it again, lights change, another color, like a yellowish color. Hit it again, got that green. Y'all who know me know that my green is my favorite color. Loving my green. So as I'm looking, the lights in the back are not hooked up. So you can actually install some lights in the back. That ain't nothing though. Because look what the front do, look what under the hood do. You know, that's my favorite right there, low key. That glow in the dark. This is kind of like a turquoise almost. Let me throw that body back on real quick, just to see what it would look like. Pretty cool, pretty cool. So actually all I would do is just add, get those lined up front. The lights up under there. That's how you cut them off. This is the old one right here, 450. It's the one I put together, light kit and whatnot. Just the remote back here. Now, this one has the drive sound, you guys. We can add that for you. We do shipping also. This truck has a 4-speed transmission, so she shifts gears when she drives, when she rolls. Let me start it back up again. Not for show. Switch is under here. Try to make it convenient. See it? There you go. Just want to show you what I had to do compared to what the 250 come with. Go ahead and cut it off. That's the speaker sound, the power lever. Yeah, but this is beautiful right here. I'm liking this. Okay, before I drive around, I want to show you guys a little trick on the remote, because I know most of y'all do not like to read anything, less known instructions. But anyway, I'll be the same way sometimes, you know what I'm saying? Especially as a guy, we just want to get to it and figure it out for ourselves. But when I got the truck, it would not fully turn to the right side. See, now it does. So what I did, I pressed function, and I turned the steering wheel to the right, and I pressed it right here. This is how the MST drifters are. And I pressed it to the right. See, if I press to the left, you can tell the tires are turning to the left side, just a little bit. See, it's not fully to the right anymore. So I'm gonna turn it to the right, and press this button right here. I don't know if you can tell, but the tires are turning a little bit at a time. And that gave me full right and left turn. Just so you guys will know, when you finish the setting, press function, so it is set. That's all I wanted to show you. cool. Beautiful. Ooh, I like this. Go ahead and put another trailer together. You guys, them trailers take almost 2 hours, well, almost 3 hours straight putting them together. They come in a lot of little pieces. You gotta sit there, watch you a movie. You know what I'm saying? Those for y'all who smoke, go ahead and roll you something up. You know what I'm saying? There's gonna be a minute putting those trailers together. It's a purple color. I love how the lights change color. She swung a little bit from me. These tires are gripping a lot, you guys. She cool though. I'm loving it. Gotta love it. I just wanted to get a quick video out, show you these new Cen trucks. A lot of y'all be sleeping on Cen. Check out the Cen Reaper. It's a big 1/7 scale. It looked like a 5th scale, but it's actually a 1/7 scale. It's pretty cool. It's a real fast truck, 6S. Taking a lot of other trucks out the game, you know what I'm saying? See, the reflections are showing like it has back lights, but when I look, there is nothing back there. That's cool. That's just a reflection from the lights that's up top. So you can actually say to yourself that you have reverse lights, or should I say lights in the back. That's what's up. Cen always coming up with different stuff. But I hope you liked the video. More to come. RC's your price. You guys leave a like, shout out the video, subscribe to the channel, you know what I'm saying? Go ahead and leave a super chat to support the store so we can do more videos, show you guys more stuff. You feel me? We highly appreciate it. All the super chats that, you know what I'm saying, we already got. Thank y'all, you know what I'm saying, from the bottom of my heart. We appreciate all our customers, all our fans, you feel me? Couldn't do it without y'all. I love y'all. RC's your price. Gotta love it.